Yeah, those young professionals who choose to start the work in engineering field or geology field, engineering geological field, they have to understand that core competency is another part, and taking care of the project management is another part.
Right.
You get various academic knowledge for your core competency,
Mm-hmm.
but implementation of this knowledge is more important too.
Hello. Welcome to another exciting episode of FaceTime with Leaders, the business leadership podcast presented by Directors Institute, World Council of Directors. I'm your host, Charu Mehra, and today we have the privilege of sitting down with an outstanding leader who has made remarkable impact in the field of engineering and infrastructure development. Today, we are joined by Dr. Vinay Kumar Pandey, a seasoned expert with 23 years of experience in geotechnical engineering and infrastructure development. Dr. Pandey has led high profile projects in tunnels, hydropower, and more, shaping the future of large scale infrastructure. In this episode, he'll share valuable leadership insights, strategies for managing complex projects, and the critical role governance plays in engineering. So, without further ado, let's welcome Dr. Vinay Kumar Pandey to FaceTime with Leaders. Dr. Pandey, welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you, Charu, for your warm welcome and my short introduction. It's my great pleasure to share my experience and thoughts with this reputed platform. I will discuss about the challenges and innovation in the tunneling and infrastructure projects. Thank you.
Right. Great. So I'm looking forward to having a great discussion with you today.
Thank you.
So, Dr. Pandey, you've had an impressive and diverse journey from being deeply involved in major infrastructure projects like the bullet train to leading geotechnical innovations. Looking back at all the milestones and roles that you've taken on over the years, was there a particular moment or project that you feel truly defined your career and set the stage for the path you are on today? We'd love to hear more about how it all began and what inspired you to dive into such a specialized field.
Actually, every journey start with a little steps, and you always get the positive and negative feedback, success, unsuccess, but you have to take all these things in a positive way and move
Right,
forward. And
right,
sometime you have to think bigger, you have big dreams, and sometime you have to take small dreams with stepwise, means you
right,
take one successful step, one successful journey, again you set another target and move forward.
right, right.
When I looking forward my professional journey, uh, actually I have earned during my college days itself
Mhm,
for
mhm.
my patience, my interest, and all these things. But professional journey, full-time professional journey started in year early 2006,
Okay.
and got one good opportunity, a great geotechnical company, Ground Engineering Limited, New Delhi,
Mhm.
in 2006. And
Okay.
it was my good luck that I got good projects. For my first project was Sasan Ultra Mega Power project. That was 5,000 megawatt project, and geotechnical investigation and all the ground improvement design parameters uh, with this Ground Engineering Limited.
Right.
Apart from it, I got opportunity in investigation for Delhi Metro
Mhm.
and NTPC Dadri itself.
Okay.
About 1.5 years after that, I got another opportunity to join a hydropower project, Jal Power
Mhm.
Corporation Limited,
Mhm.
in Sikkim. And in
Okay.
that project, I first time introduced with large infrastructure project, just initial stage of my career.
Mhm.
And in that dam foundation, means all the geotechnical related, geology related, and underground projects, all these things I got to know how it's
Right.
work, and what is the role of investigation, geological geology and geotechnical part plays.
Right.
Apart from it, in that project, we our team was compiled with youngster.
Mhm.
So we we are energetic, and our boss was too much inspiring us. They
Okay.
involve us in different tasks also. Means
Mhm.
apart from our task, they gave us civil part, mechanical part, licensing.
Wow. Mhm. Mhm.
They means they sharpening us. Uh,
Right.
we are uh, just a raw material, and they shape given us shape, and we move
Right.
forward.
Right.
In 2009, I got opportunity from the Gammon Group.
Mhm.
That time, Gammon company was too big, and they have lots of project. They
Mhm.
given me same in Rangi 2 project in Sikkim
Okay.
itself,
Mhm.
and after 1.5 years at site, they transfer me at HO Mumbai office,
Okay. Mm.
and from Mumbai office. They have two more hydro projects in Himachal Pradesh.
Mhm. Mhm.
Management had shown me trust, and and given me opportunity to take care of these projects from Mumbai itself.
Right.
So from HO, I independently taken all the three hydro projects, one Sikkim
Mhm.
and two Himachal Pradesh.
Himachal. Mm.
Yeah, yeah. And in that project, they given all the working, means I have to take care of the land acquisition,
Mhm.
public relation, technical part, contractor part, all these things.
Right.
So I got an opportunity to improve myself apart from engineering.
Right.
Engineering is my core, but apart from it, management has involved me in the project management and all these
Right.
things.
Right.
Uh, in Gammon, I was in about 9 years, and 2017 I left the Gammon and joined the Mumbai Metro Underground Project Package 7 with L&T
Okay.
stake.
Okay.
There I was joined as a construction manager, civil and geotech, and
Mhm.
my responsibilities are huge. Means I have to take care of geotechnical, geology, instrumentation, and design part, all these things.
Right.
That underground Mumbai Metro Line 3 underground project was first underground metro project in Mumbai.
Mhm.
As you know that Mumbai is a huge population, densely populated,
Right.
and
Right.
and um, various uh, various heritage buildings itself, and we have to do
Right.
all these things. Means
Right.
we have to make public to in support of project, and
The project. Right.
do the mining, means do the
Right.
tunneling and all these things.
Right.
It was very challenging and very good project. We have
Mhm.
faced so many technical as well as public public related issues, but when we see the technical challenge, uh, it was huge experience for us, as well as client also. Client
Mhm.
was also not expected that type of problem that we have
Right.
faced during Mumbai Metro Line 3.
Right. Right.
And after in October 2018, I got another opportunity with
Mhm.
Geosystem Infrastructure. There I joined as a AGM, technical and construction head.
Okay.
My team was small, but that company was based on geotechnical consultancy and ground improvement work.
Mm-hmm.
They have given me all the responsibilities from marketing, BD, client management, finance, billing, project execution, all these things.
Right.
Means
Right.
means I got a good opportunity in a very matlab short duration as a
Right.
professional career. And there I was in about 6 years. And given I in that company, I got one project of independent geotech consultant for Mumbai Metro Line 3 for
Mm-hmm.
the 3 packages out of 7. In
Okay.
that, I have taken care of all the tunnel activities,
Mm-hmm.
ground improvement work, and water seepage, high ingress of
Right.
water, all these things.
Right.
Apart from client management and
Mm-hmm.
technical discussion.
Mm-hmm.
And finally, in July 2024, I have started my own consultancy. And right now I am doing my own work.
Wow, wow, wow. That's really a huge experience you've got, sir. And your ability to evolve with challenges and your dedication to innovation and infrastructure space, it really stands out. And it's also fascinating to think about your background, how your background has shaped the way you approach projects. Like you've got opportunities to do work other than the core work that is yours. So you learned through it and you accepted the challenge and you overcame that challenge successfully. So it has been great so far, sir. Thank you for sharing that with us. So, Dr. Pandey, with your vast experience as an independent geotechnical consultant, you worked on some of the most challenging and high profile infrastructure projects. But for someone who's just starting out in this field, someone who is an aspiring leader working on similar large scale projects, what are the key advice that you'd like to give to them? And not in terms of technical expertise, but also how to balance complexities of project management.
Yeah, those young professional who choose to start the work in engineering field
Hmm.
or geology field, engineering geological field, they have to understand that core competency is another part, and taking care of the project management is another part.
Right.
You get various academic knowledge for your core competency,
Hmm.
but implementation of this knowledge is more important.
Right. Right.
For the starting of your career, first you have to uh, get vast experience or deep experience in the your core subject.
Core.
After
Absolutely.
getting the core subject knowledge, right now we have so many options to refer any case study,
Right.
any software. It's all available on the Google and
Right.
all these things. But we have to give our 100%, more than 100%
Right.
for
Right.
our subject.
Hmm.
uh, in initial time, in for the initial of your career, probably you didn't get much salary, but your investment is your investment in getting the knowledge, experience,
Knowledge. Hmm.
and implementation of your uh, academic uh, academic
Knowledge.
knowledge.
Right.
After that, first you have to in get your full competency. After that, you have to involve in other department also. Means
Also.
there is a safety department, design
Right.
department,
Right.
and mechanical department. All the departments have. You have
Right.
to get into it and get some knowledge. What is the application that
Right.
department are how this department is beneficial for our project
Uh,
or our
Right.
our working
Right.
for
Right.
project job. Uh, that is the main task, and
Mhm.
continue improvement, improve your
Right.
skill,
Right.
always improve your skill, and you should also involve with management work also,
Right. Right.
and never hesitate to ask anything to anyone, means
Hmm.
whatever it is, junior or senior. If you
Hmm.
have any doubt, you should ask.
Right.
Otherwise,
Right.
in future, when you get 10 to 20 years experience, then it will be very awkward for asking anyone
Right.
anything.
Right.
So
Right.
it's very good to ask anything about anyone.
Anyone. Right.
Yeah, yeah.
Right.
Thank you.
That's incredible to hear, Dr. Pandey, the way you've navigated these complexities. And it's clear that leadership in such projects is just not about the technical
Yeah.
intelligence, but it also involves understanding people and managing challenges from different angles. Like you said that anyone who's aspiring to become a leader in large scale projects, they should continue their learning and understand end to end of the entire projects, not just their core
Yes, yes.
department. That's really great. So, Dr. Pandey, your career has been a blend of theory and practical in the world of engineering geology. Many engineers and geologists struggle to connect the dots between the classroom and the real world challenge they face on major construction projects. From your experience, how do you bridge that gap? How do you take the knowledge that learned in theory and transform it into practical solutions on the ground?
Yeah. And this is this point. I think every professional faces in early
Right.
days and later on also
Later.
in
True.
any profession,
True.
because any organization or any project or any company not moving only for one department, by one
Right.
department.
Right.
It's so many departments: finance department, it's a contract department, tendering department, project execution department, design department, and they all the team members are thinking that we are important
Right.
for growth of company or execution of project. You have to correlate with all the departments, and you have to understand at least ABCD of all the departments, means
True.
ABCD of finance, ABCD of design, ABCD of contract, tendering, all
Right.
these things.
Right. Right.
uh, in early days of my profession, I also faced same problem, because civil, geology, geotechnical are interconnected, but no one wants to uh, accept the things, and no one wants to understand the other's obligation.
Right. Right.
Yeah. And geology and geotechnical are more theoretical subject, and
Mm-hmm.
implementing at the site is
Mm-hmm.
most important,
Right.
because if you get any challenge, first you have go through the what is the root cause
Mm-hmm.
of this challenge, how
Right.
solve this. From your technical skill, you get some answer, but there may be some drawback for the other department also.
Right.
To
Right.
understand that obligation also, and
Mm-hmm.
give that solution that will be much economical and acceptable for the all.
All.
So you have to understand the civil itself, structure, design, and finance also.
Right.
Otherwise, your solution is no solution is not beneficial for the project and
For
company
every.
itself.
Right. Right.
And awareness to get the new things, means to get the new things about knowledge has vast, and we are just part of. small things.
Right, right,
Uh, Getting knowledge and exploring other subjects is key point to
right,
fill this gap,
right,
and
right.
it always take times, and it
Absolutely.
depend on your attitude also.
Right,
Yeah,
right. Wow, that's such a powerful way to look at it, Dr. Pandey. The ability to take theory and apply it in a practical way is what truly sets great engineers apart. And the way you said that a person should be open to learning. It's not stuck with their own knowledge, but also get knowledge of other departments so that whatever solutions that you're implementing is beneficial for the entire project.
yeah,
So, yeah, that's a great way to put it across, sir. So, Dr. Pandey, working on tunnel and underground infrastructure projects involve navigating complex soil and rock interactions, especially in urban areas with high population density. The way you talked about the Mumbai underground project. So, how do you approach these challenges, balancing safety, efficiency, and sustainability, while also ensuring minimal disruption to the communities above? And we'd love to hear how you tackle these high stakes projects.
yeah. Actually, government have prepared all the norms
Mm-hmm.
regarding the safety of your project and community also, ecosystem
Right,
also. But
right,
we get some unawareness or operational problem, that all the
right.
rule and regulation is not implemented properly.
True.
As you know that you heard last and 1.5 year ago that all the Josimat buildings are crack, and all the
Right.
landslide is going on.
Going on.
People
True.
blame that tunnel is behind that, and government has is table one expert team. They given report, and
Mm-hmm.
after that they observe that local public have constructed houses on the slope landslide area or
Right.
drainage area. But
Right. Right.
implementation of the rule is a main most important.
Right.
uh, in I'm giving you one example from the
Mm-hmm.
this Mumbai Metro Line line 3
Right.
like 7 itself.
Right.
That time we are our TBM tunnel boring machine is moving from the shaft to airport side, and there is a on the way of the on the alignment of the tunnel, there
Mm-hmm.
is a heritage buildings, hospitals, mm, big means high rise hotels,
Right.
Mumbai Metro Line 1 operational Andheri Kurla metro train
Okay. Mm-hmm.
itself, and we got high water ingress just underneath the Andheri Kurla road, and
Mm-hmm.
that nearby the Mumbai Metro Line 1 pier also.
Right.
Use water ingrains, and use water ingrains in downline area,
Mm-hmm.
and all the management client and all, we got worried, okay, how we can move forward, because
Right.
unable to move the TBM TBM 1 meter in a one day itself.
Okay. Okay.
We stuck badly,
Right.
but for our tunneling team and taken some good steps, and they move forward past that area. That area was about 70 meter, and they passed in 2 months. Means it's
Wow.
very carefully they crossed this
Mm-hmm.
area.
Right.
And we have another worried that in the where we got this high water ingress,
Mm-hmm.
one underground station was proposed, and
Okay.
upline tunnel TBM is just 10 to 15 meter away from that
Mm-hmm.
area.
Right.
So
Right.
we have to take care of all these things, that our project will not be hampered, nor any utilities. Utilities means Mumbai Metro Line 1
Right.
operational project metro is not hampered,
Right.
Not accordingly, we have to take care of safety of the road itself.
Right. Right.
No get any no get any sinkage, or all these things. And
Right.
my team and myself and my team had done so many investigations,
Mm-hmm.
means whatever is possible, because surface investigation was not possible.
Right.
It's traffic is huge for 24
Mm-hmm.
hours.
Right.
Metro is going on, so we cannot do any drilling and all these things.
Right.
Our team has done some uh, other testing,
Mm-hmm.
and finally we are ready that whatever will whatever will happen, we are ready for it. But all the on the basis of all the testing we have done,
Mm-hmm.
I was sure that water will not be encountered in
Yeah.
that
Okay.
area.
Area.
And
Mm-hmm.
much fight happened with management, client also, that no, you have to take care of all these things. But I have confidence that uh, not, water will not be ingress, and that
Right.
area will be safe.
Say.
And finally, when TBM crossed this area, all are safe and nothing happened.
Wow.
It was a great relief for our management, client also,
Absolutely. True.
because if we have target that we will do 100 meter in a month, then
Mm-hmm.
all the billing and our project progress depend on that.
On that.
Yeah.
Agreed. Hmm.
And if any challenges arrive, your project finance or billing also disturb, billing as well as project time duration completion
Timeline. Right.
also
Right.
uh, also disturbed. So we have myself and my team had done very good job. Apart from it, in Himalaya, I have much experience in Himalaya also. Many slope protection work, study and suggestion I have given as a
Right.
consultant, and all these things that if you do proper investigation, proper interpretation, and if you have a confidence on
Right. Right.
yourself, then you will definitely save the money of the government, company, and time also.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
Absolutely, sir. I mean, it's
And you can save the environment, sustainability, public
absolutely.
policy.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely. It's very important, and agree that you should do all the proper investigations and have confidence in yourself. And Dr. Pandey, it's incredibly inspiring to hear how you tackled that challenge head on, blending rigorous technical expertise with deep commitment to community safety, and you completed the project successfully. So that's
That
great.
4 or 5 days, I'm unable to sleep itself.
Absolutely, agreed,
24
agreed.
hours, my phone anytime ring, and I have to
Bring in,
respond
yes.
and all these things, and I have to ready for go the side if anything happen.
Happens,
Yeah,
but good that it got completed successfully,
yeah,
so
yeah.
that's a great achievement, sir. So, Dr. Pandey, you've led groundbreaking projects and navigated complex challenges in geotechnical engineering. But I'm curious about your vision for your future. As you look ahead, what are your aspirations? And not only in furthering your technical expertise, but also in stepping into boardroom leadership roles. How do you see your experience shaping strategic decisions and influencing the governance and innovation in such large scale projects?
uh, Actually, I have vast experience in infrastructure projects,
Right.
underground expertise. And
Mm-hmm.
right now, India is developing very fast, and
Right.
the infrastructure projects are coming in Himalayan region
Mm.
as well as in other region also. And right now we are looking that due to some government policies and company interest, they are taking bidding the project about 42% lower than the tender price.
Okay,
Then
okay.
how can you justify the quality work?
Absolutely.
You cannot justify the quality work.
Mm-hmm.
Means, I think government have to take some step on these criteria.
Right,
For the boardroom, my experience and all these things will give the actual mitigation measures, or if they bidding going to bid any uh, project, I can give the broad perspective of the mitigation
right.
and what is the hidden challenges,
Mm-hmm.
any surprises. Means if they are bidding a project in a hilly region, then
Mm-hmm.
they have to consider the chances of landslide,
Landslides.
cloud burst, and
Right.
sometime um, all the sinking zone. That was not normally not mentioned in the DPR also.
Right.
Apart from it, we can restrict the management to not to bid or bid with some specific
Mhm.
consideration
Okay.
regarding this.
Mm-hmm.
And because board members are not aware about the project conflict challenges,
Right.
about
Right.
the project challenges, they only looking after the financial part, and
True.
whatever feedback they are getting, they accepting or rejecting.
Right. Right.
But we have to go through all the details, and if any board member have proper technical knowledge,
Mm-hmm.
project execution, investigation, all this knowledge have,
Right. Right.
better give the in better give inputs regarding this project and finalization of this project. If any
Right.
project is going on and they have some major challenge,
Mm-hmm.
major challenge is going on, then I can give my best.
Absolutely.
Yeah, because
That's
consultant is always a consultant. they
true.
they want they want to take money or make the money from the as criticality is there.
Right, right, sir.
Yeah,
And it's really inspiring to hear how your vision for the future is seamlessly combining your technical expertise with your aspirations for boardroom leadership. And with given the experience that you have, I'm sure you'll be able to, give good suggestions and take good decisions when it comes to success of a project.
yeah, thank you.
So, Dr. Pandey, you have extensive experience in geotechnical industry and large scale projects. Uh, I'm curious to know how you see ESG, which is environmental, social, and governance principles, reshaping your industry. In the era where sustainability and social responsibility are critical, how do you integrate ESG into your project planning and execution?
I can give you directly example how I can implement these environmental social
Social.
responsibilities and all these things
Right,
and
right.
governance. I have two examples. One in itself in Mumbai Metro Line 3.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
There is a one area of hutment area near the airport, and our when our TBM is going doing mining,
Right.
public were much worried, and they didn't allow us to monitor, take the data from for the TBM. Means how
Right,
much vibration is there, and is there any depleted building is there. And we also worried that we are committed that nothing will be happen to the local public.
right,
Yes, safety is ours. Means then first we have done before the TBM launching, first we have done the building condition survey.
Mm-hmm.
We check each and every home which falling under our project
Right.
specified
Area.
area,
Hmm. Hmm.
specified area.
Right.
Demarcate that we have to do some strengthening work here, and some very badly damaged houses were there, or already BMC has given notice to vacate.
So these houses that you're talking about, which are depleted, so it's the responsibility of the project managers or the company who's doing the project to get those, um, corrected or something like that?
It's a government policy that you have to
The-
save the public, and safety of public is your responsibility within your project affected area. Means they have
Okay.
finalized some stretch that uh, from the your project of 50 meter both side is falling under your
Yeah.
influence zone,
Area.
that you have to
Okay.
take care all these things.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
uh, it's all are government rules. We are
Okay.
implementing the government rules. If
Okay.
we implement the government rule properly, uh,
Hmm.
I think casualties and all things already neglected.
Yeah,
Will be happening.
absolutely.
But
Will be avoided.
I earlier told that non-execution and all these things. That's why this bridge collapse, houses damage, and all this
Right.
are
Right,
going
sir.
on.
Right.
Then we have to we have done some building survey and repair some houses also,
Mm-hmm.
and we are ready for evacuation also. In
Okay.
case worst case, if ground settlement happened, or building going to destroy or anything, then we,
Right.
before destroying, we have installed some instrument and taking readings, all these things.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
We evacuate into hotels, and will construct the house.
Okay. Okay.
Then Chimbatpara means that area was Hutment area. Public was not aware anything. When our team going to take measurement, they are always creating problems.
Problems.
And apart from it, we done some uh, survey regarding the well and tubewell also, which are falling under the
Yeah.
our agreement
Area.
also.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Uh, all these things going very smoothly. Apart from vibration is observed by local public, they creating some problem, but we are
Right.
ready with a mitigation plan.
Mm-hmm.
And we evacuated one or two houses also when TBM was passing underneath it.
Right.
Yeah. And TBM already passed this Mumbai Metro Line 3 hospital also, all these things.
Right. Right.
So implementing, if we implement the government rule itself properly, that first priority is safety of people,
People.
and all the things covered under it. And in present, in our bullet train project in BKC, we are constructing about 1 kilometer long underground station, and water seepage is continue observing,
Right.
because we are going 32 meter below the ground level. The water
Okay.
table, always water seepage is going on. So
Mm-hmm.
we are monitor the water table, how much deflection is there, and if more water means water table down as per our recommended level, then we have to recharge it also.
Okay.
Yeah. uh, and we are doing it very properly. If we will not do, then it's our negligence.
Right. Right.
So, because development and society both are
Goes hand in hand.
interrelated,
Yes. Yes.
and if society don't have any faith on development, then always we there will be opposed by the public.
Right. 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 Wow, sir. And it's really enlightening to hear how you've woven ESG principles so seamlessly into your project execution. So
Main
that's
thing, if
really
I think that no, I will do only my part alone. So means engineering part,
absolutely
it's not possible.
not
You have
possible.
to give your best for correlation of safety department, quality department, and design.
Right. So, Dr. Pandey, now that you've joined the Directors Institute, can you share how this affiliation has enriched your leadership journey? Any specific experience or insight from the institute that have made a lasting impact on your approach to governance? Any feedback you'd like to share? Anything?
World Director Institute has doing his best job because I am a technical background person,
Right, right,
and I always saw that there is board meeting going on, AGM going on, and there is a balance sheet and all this. I just listen this terminology, but not aware what is actual. And
right,
after joining this institute, I they have they have proper notes, proper lecture, some videos also,
right.
and I I personally I think that this is very good opportunity to know the board management, how the management work,
Works.
what is the government policies to or to operate the companies, how to
Right,
form the company, and how to move forward for the this development of our company.
right.
As I earlier told that I am also started my company,
Mm-hmm.
consultancy company in a small level, but uh, for this institute, I got the broad prospect that how can I uh, improve my company as a
Right,
private limited company or public limited company in later on in
right.
5 year 10 years time, and always get the obligation of the not to filing not to apply the government regulations,
Mm-hmm.
and all these things it's I get very in a good way.
Good way.
It's a very good approach by World Director Council.
Right, right.
Yeah,
Wow, wow. It's really inspiring to hear how, joining Directors Institute has enriched your leadership journey and sharpened your strategic vision. And I hope whatever goals that you have set for yourself, Directors Institute and this curriculum is able to help you achieve those goals.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Great. So, thank you so much for tuning in into this energizing episode of FaceTime with Leaders presented by the Directors Institute. Today, Dr. Pandey challenged us with a powerful reminder that true leadership is forged only when we merge technical excellence with ethical vision, transforming challenges into opportunities for sustainable change. We invite you to keep the conversation alive, share your thoughts on social media, and explore the additional resources available to you. Remember, every decision you make shapes our shared future. Until next time, I'm Charu Mehra signing off. But remember, lead with courage, innovate relentlessly, and always aim for excellence. Thank you.